Fxware Vortex Custom Gaming Desktop PC. Reviewed discount unbox and setup. I bought this system for my husband as an anniversary present. All he has said is that it is an awesome system. It has far exceeded his expectation. The great thing with this system is that you can upgrade as needed down the road, with a lot less cost, and no wasted components. Why pay for something that you will replace? Also, the power supply at 575 watts is a lot better than the other systems that only giving you 350 watts, which you will need to replace. He started playing MMOs with an old Dell Inspiron 15R laptop. He was having fun, but with a lot of lags. This system has made him very happy and also me. The only real issue he has had is Windows 10. It is a little quirky, but that is surely not Fxware's fault. They have built a great system for him. I'm used to playing console games, but as my first gaming PC I'm super happy I bought this one. It didn't take long to set up, runs fast, and it looks cool. I also like that it can be upgraded later on, though I'm not sure if I'm going to need to. I'm very pleased with my purchase. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.